Hi guys, 99 Reasons Why, once again. Welcome to my channel. Today is just an overall summary of my thoughts of the M1 Ultra and the Studio Display with tilt and height adjustment. After using them for a year, let's start with the Mac Studio M1 Ultra. With Apple products, they are built like a tank. They are physically the same appearance as the newer M2 Ultra, and you cannot tell the difference by just looking at them. In the box, they just come with the power cable. Let's unwrap it. In front, it has two USB-C or two Thunderbolt 4, one SDXC slot. At the back, it has 4 Thunderbolt 4, 1 10 gigabits Ethernet, 2 USB-A, 1 HDMI, 1 3.5mm headphone jack. Next is the Studio Display. I purchased the tilt and height adjustment version because I have a bad neck and wanted to make sure I got the right one for me to prevent neck strain, and I'm glad I did. Included in the box, it has power cable, a Thunderbolt cable, which is very sturdy. At the back, it has 3 USB-C slots and 1 Thunderbolt slot. The screen is perfect, but I wish I bought a second-hand Pro Display XDR instead, which in my opinion would have been a good buy. But now the second-hand Pro displays are hard to find. What are my conclusions on the M1 Ultra? Should I upgrade it? No, I think it will be an overkill for what I'm using it for. And at the moment it works super fast. So if you have M1 Ultra, just stick to it until your machine starts to struggle. Leave your thoughts and comments below. And if you would like to see more of these type of videos or my upcoming reviews, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified once the video is up.